Hello, good evening, children. A very good evening to all the bio lovers. A very good evening. Yes, a very good evening to all the bio lovers. Come on, how are you, all of you? Yes, nice to see you all. Nice to see you all. Yes, yes, my dear children. So, such small children are learning such big things. So, you all are going to do great. Yes. I hope all of you are giving equal time to your school studies also because we just meet for 20 minutes or half an hour. Yes. But I hope you are studying well for your school exams as well. अच्छा ये बताओ किस किसने एंडोक्राइन पार्ट 1 के नोट्स कंप्लीट कर लिए who all have completed the notes of part 1 just important points yes Gayatri hello who all have completed notes of part 1 come on very good Jayashri yes done लिखते जाओ बस मैम को पता चलता जाएगा all those who have done write down done yes very good very good yes because this just 20 minutes of class and 20 minutes of noting down the points and whenever you are going to sleep or early in the morning when are you going to school in your auto rickshaw in your van just go through these notes anytime yes very good so now let's start. So Reenu Vedantu Master Teacher welcomes you once again, children, to this classroom. So obviously, but natural, all of you are going to crack all the Olympiads. So all of you know that we are running the micro course. Today you are the first class of electronic configuration. Tomorrow, structure of atom. Tomorrow you will be doing electronic configuration, which you will be touching the 11th level of Bohr principle you will be learning in this micro course. 26th February is the Volt exam. All of you must appear in this. Start registering now. Today, sleep only after registering. Very good, Bhavika. Very good. So we did hypothalamus yesterday. And you knew that hypothalamus का main function था master gland को start कराने का. Pituitary हमारी body का master gland है. जितने भी हमारे growth and other reproductive parts functions हैं, they are controlled by pituitary. Yes. बेटा एनटीएससी मिस्टी अभी आप 10th में दोगे तो स्कूल का जरूर देना है ओके आई विल डेफिनेटली गिव यू आई कैन कीप 1-to-1 सेशन लेकिन आप पहले मुझे मेल लिखो और अपना फोन नंबर लिखो सो दैट वी कैन शेड्यूल अ मीटिंग यहाँ पर हम क्लास करेंगे वी वोंट बी एबल टू डिस्कस ओवर हियर राइट आई टेक 1-to-1 सेशंस फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स लाइक हाउ टू कोप अप so now we are studying pituitary gland it is located in a bony cavity attached to a hypothalamus by a stalk hypothalamus is present in the बेसल पार्ट ऑफ द फोर ब्रेन और ब्रेन के नीचे एक स्टॉक के साथ छोटा सा ग्लैंड अटैच्ड है कॉल्ड एज पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इट इज लोकेटेड इन अ बोनी कैविटी एंड इट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड मींस डक्टलेस जितने भी ग्लैंड्स हैं अगेन सेइंग डक्ट वाले ग्लैंड्स आर लाइक स्वेट ग्लैंड्स ऑयल ग्लैंड्स सलाइवरी ग्लैंड्स these endocrine glands are ductless glands और उसमें सबसे छोटा है पिट्यूटरी बट मास्टर है जैसे आप सबसे छोटे हो क्लास वाइज बट आप मास्टर हो ग्रेड 9th and 10th स्टूडेंट्स के भी because even they are not so sincere in their studies at times in period of like 4 to 5 months or 3 to 4 months you will be doing much bigger things yes study with Rohan what's your actual name so pituitary gland is divided into two parts anterior and posterior this is the anterior part आगे वाला part right this diagram shows see यहाँ ये पूरा hypothalamus है right ये hypothalamus के neurons हैं which carry the hormone secreted by the secretion of the hypothalamus right this is the posterior पीछे वाला part of pituitary and ये आगे वाला part of pituitary right so this is the diagrammatic representation pituitary is divided in two parts anterior and posterior ज़्यादा hormones are secreted by the anterior part of the pituitary. So you have done endocrine glands with two. One was hypothalamus, second is pituitary. Now we are going to study कि anterior pituitary से कौन-कौन hormones निकलते हैं. How many hormones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a trick to learn it. See, mnemonics. Frank lies taking showers so that he appears clean, tall, handsome, and professional. This is a statement. Frank likes taking showers so that he appears clean, tall, handsome, and professional. A frank is for what? Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. F से frank is for follicle stimulating hormone. आप डायरेक्ट भी लर्न कर सकते हो. Yes, Shivani, you have to fill the description form of Volt given in the description. And also, if you want to be a part of the, not Shivani, Bhavika. And also, if you want to be a part of, this Vedantu micro courses, right? So F is for follicle stimulating hormone. L likes is for luteinizing hormone. Taking showers is for thyroid stimulating hormone. SH jahan bhi hai stimulating to start. Yes. 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 It is thyroid stimulating hormone. Then STH is somatotropic hormone or the growth hormone. And then ACTH is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Yes, Asmita, there is Menti. Professional, pro is for prolactin. Professional, PRO. F. So it is follicle stimulating, luteinizing, learn the names. Thyroid stimulating, देखो, follicle stimulating hormone जो follicles को stimulate करे, right? Follicles is the name related to, for the genital parts means ovary और testes से related है जो वहां पर act करता है reproductive organs पर. So follicle stimulating hormone. Second is luteinizing hormone. Third is thyroid. Thyroid stimulating hormone, STH, doesn't matter. T for thyroid, SH for stimulating. Fourth is somato, S for somatotropic hormone or the growth hormone. Then appears clean, tall, handsome. So ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. It secretes, and professional, pro for prolactin. So can you all remember the names? मुश्किल है पहली बार में करना. See, sequence जरूरी नहीं, आप इसी order में याद करो. First is follicle stimulating. Second is luteinizing hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone. Yes, I can see Pranjal. Yes, very good, very good, very good, Pranjal. Somatotropic hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, and prolactin. Yes. Come on. Frank likes taking showers so that he appears clean, tall, handsome, and professional. So F say follicle stimulating, L say luteinizing, taking showers, thyroid stimulating, so that he somatotropic hormone, ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, and professional say prolactin. I think so. All of you can memorize it after the session. एक बार jot down करके देखना. But provided your school work is done, okay? And you don't have to keep on going and searching the sessions कि मैं इसके बारे में पढ़ लूँ, उससे कुछ याद नहीं होगा. Search करके देख लिया, याद नहीं हुआ, कोई फायदा नहीं है. So first hormone now, we are doing the functions of the hormone secreted by them. अभी हमने पढ़ा growth hormone or the somatotropic hormone. It fuels childhood growth. जो बचपन में आपकी growth होती है ना, कि like from a newly born baby to you grow such a big child, you grow to 10 years, 12 years, 14 years, whatever growth, you grow to a tall man, handsome boy, or a beautiful girl. It is the growth hormone which fuels childhood growth and helps maintain tissues and organs throughout life. So growth hormone जो growth को direction देता है कि growth होनी है, that is growth hormone secreted by anterior pituitary, right? Then prolactin, चलो don't chat, हम वो बाद में कर लेंगे सारा. आप जिस क्लास में जाओगे अप्रैल में, उस क्लास का आपने वोल्ट में एंटर करना है. If you are 5th moving 6th, you are going to 6th in April, so enter grade 6 and syllabus of class 5 will come. If it is 6th moving 7th, then enter into 7th and so on. Yes, yes, sir. The VOS are due to deficiency of growth hormone. We'll do the deficiencies also. So growth hormone fuels childhood growth, GH, or we call it somatotropic hormone. It is secreted by anterior pituitary. Second is prolactin, which regulates the growth of the mammary glands and formation of milk. When the mother gives birth to baby, she feeds her baby with her own milk. right? With the breast milk. So breast in the breast of the female, there are mammary glands. There are mammary glands जिनमें formation of milk कौन कराता है? Prolactin. So it becomes active at the time of pregnancy, and as soon as the mother delivers the child, the prolactin regulates the growth of mammary glands and continuous formation of milk in them, right? Third is thyroid stimulating hormone. As the name suggests, it stimulates thyroid. Thyroid stimulating hormone stimulates means उसको शुरू करना, start, come on, thyroid, keep on functioning. जैसे ma'am is acting as a stimulator for you. Keep on learning bio. डू नॉट इग्नोर, आपका एनटीएससी का बायो अपने आप से प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा, मोर देन दैट इवन, राइट? फॉर एनी जीके यू विल ऑलवेज बी एबल टू डू. रिमेंबर दिस बायो नोटबुक, कीप इट. अगर आपने कभी यूपीएससी भी देना है और आपको उसके लिए बायो चाहिए, उसमें भी आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल है, राइट? So this register is forever. Do not throw the notes which you are making, and do not spend too much time on making notes. Just keep 2-3 color pens to underline, right? Yeah, thyroid, Asmita, is one of the glands in your body. Yes, situated over here. उसका भी अपना एक function है. So we'll read about thyroid gland also. एक एक word पढ़ेंगे जो बीच में आ रहा है. I'm telling you, ये आपको clear हो गया. Growth hormone, mammary glands clear हो गया. जो mother के glands हैं in breast for the formation of milk. ये thyroid को stimulate करता है. Thyroid, we'll do it in the next class. Yes, why not? Study with Rohan, surely. ACTH, it stimulates, it will help you in class 9, 8, 9, 10th also. 8th and 10th की studies में, school studies में, same syllabus, same is in NSCGS, same is in KVPY, everywhere same. Only जब आप 11th 12th में अगर बायो लेते हो तो इसका डिटेल बढ़ेगा. 10th तक NTSE तक इससे ज्यादा डिटेल की जरूरत नहीं है, right? So ACTH, I have to move my neck towards my right because the chat phone है वो right side पर रखा है. ACTH stimulates the adrenocorticotropic. जैसे as the name suggests, adrenocorticotropic hormone. So it stimulates the synthesis secretion of steroid hormones called glucocorticoids from the adrenal cortex. Adrenal glands are situated near the kidney, and yes, they are also means they secrete, their secretions are responsible. Abhi hum aage padhenge adrenal glands ji, but they are also they also promote like genital organs mein jaake production of testes mein for the sperms and ovaries, so they are functional over there. So ACTH stimulates the secretion of steroid hormone called glucocorticoids from the adrenal cortex. जिस दिन हम adrenal पढ़ेंगे, adrenal glands, yes, adrenal glands का structure is called as the adrenal cortex. जिस दिन हम adrenal glands का secretion पढ़ेंगे तो आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि उसको कौन direct कर रहा था, ACTH. एक के ऊपर एक boss है, principal है, then vice principal है, then teachers हैं, then class monitors हैं, then row in charges हैं. इसी तरह हाइपोथैलेमस है, हाइपोथैलेमस एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी का हार्मोन है ACTH. ACTH किसको कमांड दे रहा है? एड्रीनल को, राइट? MSH, yes, MSH acts on, yes, MSH, MSH is melanocyte stimulating hormone. It acts on melanocytes, melanin containing cells, means which regulate the pigmentation of the skin. जो हम कहते हैं ना, हमारा अगर मिलानिन फंक्शन नहीं करेगा तो स्किन का कलर ऐसे नहीं होगा, वो जैसे ऐसा लगेगा जैसे सन जैसा व्हाइट, कुछ लोग बहुत अजीब लगते हैं आपको. सो मिलानिन हैज टू बी देयर फॉर द पिगमेंटेशन ऑफ द स्किन. सो MSH acts on melanocytes. A luteinizing and follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing and follicle stimulate gonadal activity. Again, gonads activity is testes or ovary की activity. Genital parts की activity, genital gonad words is connected to reproductive organs, reproductive cells, and hence are called as gonadotropins. So you have seen that growth hormone आप में growth के लिए, prolactin for the production of milk, thyroid stimulating for promoting thyroid secretion, ACTH for promoting the secretion of adrenal glands, right? MSH acts on melanocytes and regulates pigmentation of the skin. Study with Rohan. What's your name, beta? You are in which class? Very good answers. And LH and FSH stimulate gonadal activity, means activity of the reproductive parts, right? Gonadal activity is Yes, tapasya gonads are the reproductive parts, male and female के reproductive parts. उसमें से उसमें जो egg बनता है male and female egg, उसके production में LH and FSH stimulate करते हैं, right? So we'll be doing it. आपको धीरे धीरे सारा समझ में आ जाएगा. In males, LH stimulates the synthesis in males after the age of 14 or 15, जब adolescent complete हो जाती है. Yes, Rohan Mehta, you are in class 8. Okay. Once you reach to your adolescent, so LH stimulate when your childhood finishes and adolescence starts. So LH stimulates the synthesis and secretion of hormones called androgens from testes. Like in 18 to 20 years reproduction के time पर जो male reproductive organ है, that is testes से sperms come out. So those sperms then fertilize the female egg. It is the male egg and that will be the female egg. So adolescence is when you reach the age of 13 and 14, you can see the changes in the boys and girls. The boys develop the hoarse voice. The boys develop this, yes, they develop the hoarse voice and there are mustaches and beard. So they are the characters which come in when they grow. मतलब अब उनकी height and all की growth रुक जाएगी. Yes, and Adam apple, yes. So that is called as the adolescence of boys. In girls, yes, other secondary sexual characters come up. So that is called as the adolescence of the girls. So in males, LH stimulates the synthesis and secretion of hormones called androgens from testes. FSH and androgens regulate follicle stimulating. Follicle stimulating androgens. Androgens are the hormones which promote the production of male egg called the sperm from the testes. So that is the function of luteinizing hormone, right? And similarly, FSH also regulates the formation of sperms. LH and FSH are basically the hormones. In females, LH induces ovulation of fully mature follicles. See, ये दो terms हैं, Graafian follicles and corpus luteum. So these terms you will study when you will be doing the reproductive system, the male and female reproductive system, and you will come in your regular classes, we'll be teaching over there. So this is the part of, in females, LH induces formation of female egg cells from the ovaries, that is the production of ova. FSH stimulate growth and development of ovarian follicles, means ovary की जो lining है जहाँ से, yes, जो the tissues, the cells which produce ova. So LH and FSH, बस आपको इतना याद रखना है कि LH luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone are required for producing, they promote, they control the production of sperms in males and ova in females, right? So they help, they work on gonadal parts. Gonadal means production of egg and ova, sperm and ova, sperm in males and ova in females, right? So MSH, melanocyte, ACTH stimulates the synthesis and secretion of steroid hormones from the adrenal cortex. ये हम अभी पढ़ेंगे. तो आपने सबसे important पढ़ा pituitary का growth hormone. ग्रोथ, अभी हम ये भी पढ़ेंगे ग्रोथ हार्मोन अगर कम होगा तो डिवॉर्फ रह जाएगा. कोई बहुत जायंट हो जाता है भीम की तरह तो वो एक्सेसिव ग्रोथ हार्मोन इज सिक्रीटेड इन दैट चाइल्ड, राइट? माय ईमेल आईडी इज चाइल्ड रीनू MRT 68@gmail.com. VOS Vedantu Olympiad School, the section of Vedantu VOS is conducting the exam Volt Vedantu Olympiad litmus test to select the children for Olympiads. Rohan, you look to be very good. You're very good. We run the batches for NACGS, for Maths Olympiads, for NTSE, for other school Olympiads, SOF, जिससे कि your sure shot selection for JEE and NEET when you go to 12th, and you will be the toppers of the school as well. Okay, you have dal diya. Very good. So these are the hormones of anterior pituitary. So can you remember now? Growth hormone, prolactin, name yaad rakho. What was that? Frank likes taking showers so that he appears clean, tall, handsome and professional. So pro se prolactin. So prolactin ka function the mammary glands. Growth hormone somatotropic ka function. Then TSH, thyroid stimulating, adrenocorticotropic. It promotes function secretions from adrenal cortex. MSH, melanocyte, LH and FSH stimulate gonadal activity, hence are called as gonadotropins. And gonadal activities are means when the child reaches, it completes its adolescence. So जब भी male और female egg produce होना शुरू हो जाता है, तो उसको कौन control करता है? These are the LH and FSH hormones which control. See here, testosterone will, spermatogenesis means sperms will be formed. मेल सेकेंडरी कैरेक्टर्स, मतलब दो फंक्शंस हैं टेस्टोस्टेरोन के. मेल के सेकेंडरी सेक्स कैरेक्टर्स जैसे प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मुस्टैचेस, बियर्ड एंड द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्पर्म्स. ओवरी का ओएस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन, folliculogenesis means production of ova, and female secondary sex characters, for example development of breast and other sexual characters, right? So this you will read in adolescence when you go to that. Posterior pituitary stores and releases two hormones called oxytocin and vasopressin, which are actually synthesized by hypothalamus. Posterior pituitary ke ye do hormones, they are synthesized by hypothalamus and are transported axonally to neurophoresis. Okay, so just in the YouTube session, right? So children, so oxytocin acts on smooth muscles of body, and females it stimulates a vigorous contraction of uterus at the time of childbirth. So from here we'll do it posterior part in the next session. Just now, yeah, I take a leave because I don't want to take your much time. I want you, yes, I want you to learn this much part as much has been taught. I just want you to spend 15 minutes daily on this bio. Yes, I took 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes you will be taking. Yes. So thank you so much, children. Thank you. Wonderful. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Learn till here. Right. Menti will conduct tomorrow, insha. Tomorrow. थोड़ा सा और cover हो जाए ना, फिर मेंटी में मजा आएगा. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a nice day.